End of the line, vintage train journeys at risk as coal supply falls or fails. The problem is that steam trains consume coal, an energy source now vilified for being a major source of greenhouse gases. In its attempt to reach net zero emissions, Britain has been closing down its coal mines. One near Merthyr Tydfil in Wales, for people around the world, was the last to supply heritage rail lines with lumped coal, but has now halted its supply before its total closure later this year. And what's happening now is that these steam trains run on coal, but they're struggling to find coal. They're looking at Poland, they're looking at Australia and Colombia. They've been suggested as possibilities. And they are extremely popular. They get very large numbers of visitors. I go to them whenever I've got time, whenever I'm near one. But they are preserving a heritage. They are preserving a culture. The very culture and history that the cult wants to destroy. And that is a benefit offshoot of what's happening with the climate change hoax, which means those consequences for steam lines. The humdinger, I'll finish on this one. The humdinger of the week is this. Swedish folk band cancelled because they play a Russian musical instrument. A Swedish folk band was banned from performing at a benefit concert to support Ukraine because they play a Russian musical instrument, with outraged critics claiming that the balalaika was, is that how you pronounce that, balalaika? Was as bad as displaying a Nazi swastika. Now, this is plumbing the very depths of human potential for complete insanity. This is Sodra Bergen's Balayakor, a band first formed in 1969, been scheduled to play a charity concert to support Ukraine in the Swedish city of Uppsala. However, their appearance was cancelled after bedwetting morons complained that the balalaika, a three-stringed musical instrument with a characteristic triangular wooden body, was a national symbol of Russia. And when you have Siberian cats being banned from appearing in international cat competitions and a prize-winning Russian tree being stripped of its title, you know that you are living in a lunatic asylum with the greatest respect to lunatics. And it's worth acknowledging how grateful we are. And those watching this show, by definition, will be included in this. How grateful we are that we are still sane. We are still an island of sanity in this ocean of madness.